Owakudani Nature Trail, a tourist attraction in Hakone, Kanagawa Prefecture, opened for the first time in 7 years on March 28th. The trail had been closed since May 2015 as a result of the increase in volcanic activity of Mount Hakone. The trail now includes shelters and emergency evacuation routes for visitors in the event of an eruption.
こういうあんまりめったに見られない遊歩道を歩けてすごいいいタイミングで嬉しかったです。
娘は今回小学校卒業でなんか記念の旅行かなと思ってたんですけど、こういうラッキーなイベントもあってよかったなと思います。
Admission is limited to 120 people per day and advance reservations are required. Helmets are required while walking the path, and admission is restricted to those who can flee on their own in an emergency.